Hi everyone, I'm Oliver Tenasio, and I'm going to walk you through an introduction to welding. A lot of people might be interested in this kind of work or as some kind of hobby, and some people want to get a job in the field. Some people don't want to go to school for it, maybe because they just want to do home projects like building a dune buggy or art pieces and sculptures or just basic DIY repair. Now I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to get started that you probably shouldn't take to a job site. So let's get started with our equipment. First of all, you should make sure that your equipment is very well organized. There it is. We have a Miller MIG welder. I don't know what size it is. I don't know the model name. All I know is it spits out wire and gas and it melts metal together. So let's find that on switch. Okay. Power. Yep, that's it right there. Oh, cool, a light turned on. So check your voltage. Yeah, that works. Check your wire speed. I don't know the recommended wire speed, but I think that's what I've been using for like 17 years. Yeah, there it is. Let's check your gas. Yep, this is a mixture of just CO2. How much PSI are we gonna use? Okay, the bottle's open. 25 to 30 should be good. And do we have wire? Yeah, well, it looks like there's some there. Yep, we got some. So now that our machine's all set up, let's go through the basics of operating it. All right, I got a piece of practice work up here above the head. The reason why it's above the head is because we're going to pretend that we're working on a car. Now, first thing you want to do is get your PPE on. Yeah, don your PPE. So we have a welding hood, which protects your face and your eyes, and from the harsh UV rays and the bright arc, and a pair of leather gloves. These will protect your hands and your skin, also from the bright arc. So what you want to do with these is, first of all, throw them away. Because time is money and your body already has built-in PPE. You see this covering the arms? That is your skin. It is the largest organ on your body. And sometimes it gets a little scarred, but you know what? They say that scars are like tattoos, but with better stories. You might look like a heroin addict, but that's your excuse there. And see these below my eyebrows, above my eyeballs? Those are eyelids. They naturally protect you from bright light. And I've never gotten flash burn in my 17 years of doing this. So, how you use your eyelids is when you have your wand here, you hit that trigger and wire comes out. So you got to coordinate your trigger finger with your eyelids. I like to use a safe word. A safe word like fire in the hole. I will think to myself and say out loud, fire in the hole, squeeze the trigger, and there we go. So we got a long wire. Let's clip that. Let's adjust my camera. So we throw our PPE away because it takes time to put on, and time is money. Money is more important than safety. Let's grab our ground strap, put it on the work. There it is. And you get right onto that work. Let's make sure it's ground. See if we got a spark. Ooh, we got a spark. I forgot to say fire in the hole. Oops, I'm so silly. Let's pretend we're welding a system together. Fire in the hole, eyes closed, trigger finger. Part of the job is taking a shower in sparks. Your very next step is after a hard day. You want to relax. You can't drink beer on the job, so let's pull out one of these things. Get a long wire out. Okay. I got the ground strap attached to the piece of tubing here. So you take your long wire, just touch it up to the piece of work, and you get a nice red wire. See that? Because somewhere down the line, you might have lost your lighter in an engine bay or someone's interior. And why smoke? Why smoke on the job? You know the main reason why? Not just for the nicotine high, but because if you dedicate your life to hard labor, you're already dead. Thanks for watching my instructional video. I hope none of you follow my advice, and if you do, I hope you actually get something done. Watch other people on YouTube that are actually probably certified, because they're much better than me. I have just been doing it for 17 years. This is Oliver Tanacio. I'm a very uncertified welder. See you next time.